Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have live swatches of the MoonShine Mani nail polishes releasing in the month of February. Phoebe from MoonShine Mani sent me her upcoming collection that will be releasing in February. You will be able to put your hands on these nail polishes that you see in front of me starting February 14th. And I have 4 polishes from the new collection that she named Slow Your Roll. This is actually a 3-piece collection which also includes an add-on polish. And if you purchase this polish within the first 2 days after the release, you will receive all 4 polishes, so this one will be included with the 3-piece collection. Otherwise, going forward you will be able to put your hands on it separately, so it won't go away. It's not a limited polish, it is just an add-on to the collection itself. She also sent me one of the polishes from the Project Dupe It, and this is a dupe for one of OPI's polishes. She named it Jetsetter. So I will be showing you live swatches on all of these polishes, and of course if you would like to put your hands on these, don't forget they will be releasing on February 14th. A big thank you Phoebe for sending these to me, and now let's jump into the swatches. Of course, if you do like my video, then please thumbs it up for me, and if you don't want to miss out on any of my future review swatch videos, then also hit the subscribe button. Alright, let's see how these polishes look on my nails, and then I will come back and tell you what are my thoughts about them. So guys, what are your thoughts on these releases from MoonShine Mani for the month of February? I really do like the collection. My least favorite is probably still Magnolias, only because I am not a pink polish lover, as you know, but it still looks really pretty, and all of the polishes from the Slow Your Roll collection were inspired by one of her favorite actresses, and these are all for Julia Roberts. So if you do like Julia Roberts, you will enjoy this collection even more. But I really like My Best Friend's Wedding. That's a very light gray hollow polish. It's absolutely beautiful, very subtle, and still kind of powerful. And I also like Pretty Woman, which is the add-on into this collection. As far as Jetsetter goes, I do not have the original OPI nail polish, so I was unable to show you comparisons or if it is anywhere close to the original polish. I do have to say that I really like this one, and definitely a must have, especially if you can't find some of the older OPI nail polishes, and this one will be definitely a good one for you to have. So thank you again, Phoebe, for sending me these polishes. I do hope you guys also enjoyed my review and swatches, but if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section, and I will leave for you as much information on these polishes in the description box as I can. Again, they will be available February 14th, so on Valentine's Day. Yeah, I have nothing bad to say about any of these polishes. They all apply without any problems, and the only one that is not my favorite is the pink one, but that's just my personal preference. So let me know your favorite, and if you will be thinking about maybe picking up any of these polishes. As I said, Pretty Woman will be an add-on polish to the collection, but the first 2 days after the release you will be receiving it together with the entire collection if you purchase it as a whole. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.